everyone, welcome back to Jenny Island Vibe. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. Today, I am going to show you how to make quick and easy shrimp ramen noodles soup. I am excited. Without further ado, let's get straight to the video. Ingredients I will be using for today's recipe: onion, green onion for garnishing, bell peppers, carrot. Noodles, I'm using 3-pack. The seasoning that come with the noodles: paprika, shrimp, and lime, guys. Extra virgin olive oil. Now I am going to season the shrimp. I also cut them in two, but you can leave it as is. Adobo seasoning, Italian seasoning, just a pinch of salt. Add some lime juice, mix it well, and set aside. Now the pot is hot. I'm just going to add a little bit of olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice or butter. Add all the vegetables together, give it a good mix. Cover it up, let it saute. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Adding the shrimp, sauteed about 2 to 3 minutes because you don't want your shrimp to be overcooked, guys. Looking fabulous. Don't forget to check the description below for all ingredients that I use for today's recipe. I'm just going to remove the shrimp and the vegetables because I don't want the vegetable to be overcooked either, but it's optional if you prefer it that way. Now I'm just gonna add just a pinch of oil, the paprika, and the seasoning that come with the ramen noodle. Give it a good mix. Add hot water. Always add hot water to make it cook faster, and it also brings that good flavor together, guys. Now it comes to boil, just adding the noodles in. I told you it was quick and easy. Let it cook for about 5 to 10 minutes, or any way you prefer it to be. Transfer the shrimp and the vegetables in the pot, and there you have it, your quick and easy ramen noodle soup. Can't get any better than this, guys. Thank you for your precious time. Remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment. We'll see you next time on Jenny Island Vibes.